Hello, welcome to this session. Today, we are going to learn how to create a blanket purchase order, or in other words, it's called a framework order. So let's get into the system. Go to purchase order creation, ME21N, enter. So the document type for a framework order or a blanket purchase order is FO, right there. So we select our vendor. Let's say this vendor right there, enter. So before I go any further, let me just give a brief rundown of what a blanket purchase order is, or a framework order. So consider a company that needs office supplies like pens and pencils, and they don't want to be creating a purchase order every time that they need those office supplies. So to create a purchase order all the time and to do a good receipt for those office supplies, or maybe some other services that would require a lot of time and effort and money to order. So what they do is that they have a system where they create a blanket purchase order so that these services or materials can be procured without creating multiple purchase order. Okay, so we are going to learn how to create a blanket purchase order that has to deal with a limit, where the company is going to have a limit as it pertains to the amount of money that can be spent during a certain validity period in order to procure that material. So let's proceed. All right, so we have a validity period here. Let's say the start date. Let's say it starts on the 31st. Okay, and let's just choose some random date for the validity end date. Let's say like a couple of months from now or so. All right, so we choose a validity date, and let's say let's choose our account category, which in this case is going to be a cost center. Okay, item category, let's choose of course a limit. Let's choose a limit, and for blanket PO with limits, we don't need a material master record. Okay, so let's just say here we need to write down a short text. We're going to use say office supplies, pens and pencils. All right, I'm going to choose it right there because I already had it in my system. So office supplies, pens and pencils. Okay, and let's choose a delivery date. Let's say, all right, let's choose that delivery date. Let's choose our plant. Material group, I'm going to choose office supplies. You can just search, your search button right there. So what I just did is that I clicked the search button right there, search, and for some reason my search window is coming on the other side. Okay, let's say office, in order to find that material group. So we have it there, enter, office, enter, click. All right, enter. All right, so it's asking us for the limit. I'm going to say during that period, the company is willing to spend nothing more than, let's say nothing more than 5,000 euros on office supplies, and expected value, let's say we're going to spend maybe 4,800, enter. All right, it's asking me for the cost center. I'm going to use 1,000, enter. All right, it's telling me that this material group there's a contract on this material group. That's not really important for us now, so we're just going to ignore that warning message. We check. All right, no messages generated in the system. Okay, so we are good to save that document. Save. There you have it. Our framework order has been created with that purchase order document number right there. Thank you very much for watching. You have a wonderful rest of your day.